Hey guys, that burping video I did, I'm not sure how it got so many views, but like, it was just amazing, and it was amazing, I don't know why it has so many views, but yeah, I just want to thank you all for having so many views on that video, and not for likes, just for views. I don't know, but it's, I don't know, maybe, who knows, but yeah, thank you for liking that video. You commented saying that you really liked the video, and I don't know, but yeah, and so yeah, just thanks for liking the video. And
Who's gonna find sugar eventually?
yeah. So yeah, and I just like to thank you for how you liked that video so much, and apparently a lot of people like burping. Apparently people like burping. I don't know why people like burgering, but apparently you guys like burping. Bye.